Yo, what's up? My name's Shawn McIntosh, and this is my fit bike check for vitalbmx.com. Check it out.
Yeah. So I went with all black with the Rasta color wheels. These go pretty hard. Let's start with the tires. I'm messing with some old school stuff. I got the Dirt Monster in the front, V Monster in the back, 2.0 in the front, 9.5 in the rear. Of course, you got your Mac frame right here, 21.125. Primo seat post, Primo seat. Got the Fat Boy. Got the Mac pedals, metal pedals. If you ain't scared of metal pedals, then get these bad boys. Got the Nair 25-tooth sprocket with the 8-tooth driver on the Remix hub in the back. Got the Primo, again, some OG stuff. The Primo power bites. Got the high top stem. The stem's coming out for fit right about now. It's a real high rise. You don't have to run any spacers if you like your bars up tall. You know, I got the Mac bars bolted to the stem. 875 rise, 4 degree up. Nice bars for taking big drops. You know. Got the Mac grips. We're gripping tight. Got these new Primo pegs we're working on. I'm not usually into plastic, but I got them on my bike right now. Holding on the front wheel, I got the Blade 2 forks with the built-in race. I know a lot of forks have the built-in race, but this is new to this fork. It's a beefy fork with the built-in race. It's nice, you don't have to pound it on. Slide it in and go.